Hey guys, this is going to be a system test for my fire alarm, okay? It contains of a Gentex Commander 2 horn and strobe combo fire alarm, and then a BG12 pull station, okay? Now I was hoping to get a BG12 LX pull station because that comes with a key, not a hex wrench, and it has a flashing LED in it, but anyways. Let me get, this is my panel down here. So to reset it, all you have to do is press that button right down there, and then press it again. But let's pull this thing, okay? Now never do this at a public building unless you're a professional and you're doing it for a system test. But you have to be licensed, or else you could get very, very, very deep trouble and you could get arrested. So here we go. Now to reset it, you take the hex wrench, turn it, and then open it up and set it. Lock it. Okay, that's it. Oh, and also I need to reset my panel, but real quick, so I just show. I put this in a few days ago, and it's just mounted on a box like that, and the pipe with the wire runs down through there to my panel. So now we need to reset the panel. Okay, shut it off by pressing that button. Wait for those LEDs to go off. Okay, now let's start it back up. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and I hope you liked it. That is my fire alarm system test 4. Bye.